can hear me. I am trying to get everything set up now. What's up, guys? Let me know when you see me and we will check out what's going on. I just got home from work, so I really haven't got a chance to look at the charts. Hopefully you guys can see me and hopefully everything is working. I do not see anybody in the chat yet. There we go. What's up, Jabbow? Jabbow, Raul, Dan T, and his alts. Smizzle Beats, what's up? Eva Dilis? Stojan, what's happening, brother? Michael Fairman, no, you're not late. We just started. Linus, what's up? Michael Fairman, oh, I said what's up. Mohammed, Jeremiah. All right, guys. Nice little pump we had today, right? It did hit my first and second target, the 96.65 and 97.41. We actually got all the way up to 97.70. The question is, are we done? I don't believe so. Looks like even on the daily, we still have more room to run up. We may correct here for a little while. If you guys remember me showing you these three yellow lines and where I got them from, which is just cloning this bottom support line, and I put one on each one of these wicks, and I said it would be support and resistance area. Mike Weber, what's up? Peter, Leo, Crypto Money, happy to see you. David Rice, Reg, what's happening? D-Mac, how's it going, brother? MN Gooner, G4L, Michael. All right, so anyways, it still looks like we have another move up. I still think we're most likely gonna get up to that $10,000 range. We may correct a little bit here and ride along this line just like we did this one here and this one here. We may stick around in this area for a little while, maybe. Who knows? But I do believe we have another leg up. Let me look at the smaller time frames. And it looks like we'll be coming back down to maybe the 95.30 range. Let's do this. Yeah, so I'd be looking for maybe the 95.30, 95.20, somewhere in there, possibly, if we don't get a spike up here. This is the 15 minute, so this is the first stop I'd be looking at. But it does look like we are creating some divergence here. And let's do this. And this. So we are creating divergence, but this could get erased if we do get down further. So we'll keep an eye on that. And take a look at Litecoin real quick. Oh, guys, don't forget, smash the likes. Take a second out, hit that thumbs up. I appreciate it big time. And I appreciate all you guys smashing the likes and leaving comments on the videos in the morning. That really helped the video get views and helped YouTube push it out there. I appreciate it. You guys rock. What's up, Callan? Richard says bags are full. Smurf Herder. Joseph, what's up, man? $800 move will do, right? The Trump pump. I wouldn't call it a Trump pump. We've seen this coming for days. We've had these targets sitting up here. Litecoin still has not hit its $75 target. I still believe we will get there. It's still in the cards, in my opinion. So, yeah. How'd everybody do on this move? Did anybody trade it? Hit 1 if you traded it, hit 2 if you didn't, hit 3 if you don't care, you're just hodling. What's up, Rayhan? Got a nice one in at 9,100. Nice. Raul's holding. Joseph got in. Nice. Stojan, me neither. I didn't get in either, man. I was working. It sucks when it happens when I'm at work. I did have a perfect trade set up that I posted in the members group, and I screwed up and I moved my stop But it was a perfect setup for this whole move. D-Max of $1. It's a lot of hodlers in here. Right on. Focus got in this morning. Brian 2 is working. Same here, man. David Rice, what the hell's for? Crypto Loose Fingers, what's up, man? Would you sell it? No, or let it run? I would definitely have raised my stops. Let's see. As of right now, I would probably just hold it. I still think we continue up for one more leg. It looks like we have room to come up here one more touch, at least, and that being the 10,000. I still have that target at 10.5, which we need to keep in mind that is definitely possible. I'd like to see us get back over. Sorry guys if that makes you dizzy. Can you guys hear the music? I put some different music on. What's up, Jago? Looks like the start of the other shoulder, he said. It's possible. It's possible that it could start here. But I don't think so. I think we're going to get up to at least at 10. We'll see. Music's just right. You can hear it. All right. It's a little bit different music. I switched it up for you guys so you didn't have to hear Bitcoin porn music. But I will switch it back and forth. I'll get some other ones too. And I will only use that in live streams. We're trying to get back up there now, guys. Trying to get back up there. Chomsky, what's up? Peter. Got in along at 92.87. Still in. Nice. Much better. All right, so we got some agreement on the music. What's up? This music's much better. Jago said this pump is starting to lose momentum. Yeah, we got some nice rejection wicks here, but like I said, I don't think it's done. We may have a little correction here. We'll see what happens. This is going to be key to watch this right now. We'll stick in the 15-minute and see if we can get back above these EMAs right here and keep them from crossing. If they cross, we'll start cruising down some more. 10K 50 and move to stablecoin, or correction is 15%. We have to wait and see, man. Have to wait and see. I still believe what I see happening, in my opinion, is everybody's gonna get it super bullish, and we're gonna get a rejection around this 11.1 or 11.2 in the next few weeks, the very end of February or beginning of March. But if we keep in mind, if we blow through that 11,200, I would say it should be off to the races from there. G4L said it sounds better than that 80s porn music. We need elevator music. What? Manny Peterson said, hey Savvy, your thoughts on the 12-hour MACD and Bollinger Bands? I don't use the MACD or Bollinger Bands. That's why I use the RSIs I use. Pretty much that's all Bollinger Bands are, is a band of RSIs. And I use these RSIs because they are all based on Fibonacci sequence numbers. Colonel, what's up? Joseph. 10.6 first. Long squeeze, Bitfinex, BitMEX. Could be. I think we have more upwards to go. I mean, I'm sure we'll probably get a correction here. Let's take a look at this. Let's do this. This looks like hold on a minute. Let's pull a retracement on just this part of the move. Yeah, we could come all the way back down to 93.70 even would be the 0.618 retracement of this move here. What I think, let me look at the fib extensions real quick. Definitely getting some hidden bullish divergence here. Most definitely. Let's keep an eye on this 15 minutes, see if we can keep the EMAs from crossing. It does not look like it. Looks like they're crossing now. So yeah, I'd be looking for possible bounce around the 95.30 if we continue down from here. Let me also try this real quick. Keep an eye on. Possibly a flag here. I don't think so though. I think we're gonna go down and test this 55 EMA on the 15 minute. Dark helmet, hold it, man. 5 years, you'll be happy. You got it under 10K. I think in 2 years, you'll be happy you got it in 10K for sure. People will be jealous. Jago said he was talking about the correction of the whole January pump. Yeah, the whole January pump. Let me go back. Yeah, I do think we're gonna correct, but I think it's damn possible we get up to this 10.5, maybe even that 11.1 area. Even though that would kind of skew the thought of the inverse head and shoulders, but it's definitely a possibility and something to keep in mind. Because by looking at this, we did pierce that top trend line now, but we did not get any big volume on the weekly. Obviously the week still has more to go, and the next fib to test up here is the 10,200 range. But like I said, I really strongly want to watch this 11.1 11.2 area towards the end of the month, I believe. Litecoin will bring Lambos. How many minute Bitcoin should be held to call a whale? Who knows, man? What, a couple thousand, maybe 10,000? That's a whale. Yeah, don't want it to climb too quick, end up like Tesla. Yeah, Tesla. What did Tesla end up coming down? I didn't watch it. Just out of curiosity. C172 pilot said I can buy 2 Bitcoin, but I'm nervous as shit. 730, 150, 730. 18% correction. Thanks, Crypto Crazy. Damn, $140 drop. KuCoin takes 43,000 confirmations to get ETC deposit a whole week. Beware. Ouch, man. that's insane. Savvy, do you take in consideration the volatility index of Bitcoin? Not really. I base everything on the charts, man. Do you think Litecoin is going to drop back to $70 tonight? That is a 12 EMA on the 6 hour. On the 4 hour, no, I don't think it's gonna. Do not think it's gonna. Well, yeah, I take that back. You said 70, so yeah, it'd be back into these EMAs, maybe. It might go back to the $70 range, but I still think we'll get up to at least that 75. Possibly higher. We've got room on the RSI to go up another nice chunk. Back into Litecoin or Bitcoin. Proud and real, greetings, brother, from Belgium. What's up, Phil C? Don't forget to hit the likes, guys. Hit the like button. And again, if you guys weren't in here earlier, thank you so much for hitting the like button and leaving comments on the video this morning. That helps the YouTube algorithm spit the video in front of more people for me. Hey, Savy, say hello to Brazil. We are in. What's up, Felipe? Hello, Brazil. Dark Helmet said I stacked my icon and can't sell at the massive high yet. Hope it stays up. What's up, Victor? How you doing, man? Ronnie, what's happening? Crypto Loose Finger said check out Inker Image too. Yeah, there's a link below in the description. This is my wife's company, inkerimage.com. Check it out. She's got a lot of cool stuff in there. Hats, beer koozies. She even does dog scarves, coffee mugs, the big glass pitchers. I don't know if you guys ever seen them. I think they call them Fracture online, but hers are actually a little bit cooler. They're about 2 inches off the wall. But yeah, check it out. Awesome stuff down there. There's also stuff that's not listed. There's long sleeve shirts, keychains, hoodies, a lot of other stuff down there. Check it out. Links below. I appreciate it. It's one way to help support the channel, along with checking out the other affiliate links if you guys are interested. Peter Rayet said, China pump incoming. I like your little emojis there. What's up, Gerald? Michael Fairman said I ordered tops in a mug. Been shipped. Can't wait. Thanks, man. Let me know what you think of them, too. I don't think anyone's been disappointed yet. Like I said, it's quality stuff. It's not cheap crap. If you can say I don't even know what the hell that says. Give me a like. I guess you won't have to give me a like, Jago. I don't want to say it and it'd be something rude to somebody or something. There's that falling channel in the RSI that we were watching forever. We got to watch it finally break today. Aha, at least try Unsaludo a Jago. What up, Mr. Savvy to the moon? What's up, Christian? How many people made it in here today? 145. And has everybody hit the like button? Probably not. Just say hello to Jago. Hello, Jago. What's up, Dinosaur Muscle Cars? You disappeared for a long time. You're back. Welcome back, man. I notice these things. Nice, thanks. Liked the video already. You tricked me, man. You tricked me. Reg Parent said, come on, peeps, hit the like. David Rice, thanks, man. Going good. How you doing, Thomas? Bitcoin Broke says, yay, Litecoin. Proud and Real says, when people come back, bull run confirmed. Treese, I'm bullish. Savvy live shit pumps. We'll see. I don't think we're going to get a pump right now. It's not looking like it unless we can break up above these EMAs. Got 5 minutes to try to keep the 8 and a 13 from crossing in the 15 minute. It's just a 15 minute though. So what's up, SB? Thoughts on DAMP? You know my thoughts on DAMP. Man, you watch my channel, G4L. Took forever to find that like button. Had to hit X on the chat. Yeah, if you guys are on your cell phones, you got to exit the chat and then the like button is there. Click the like button and then hit live chat again. It'll bring your chat back. And make sure you do that in the mornings on the videos. That you guys don't understand how much that helps. Like my YouTube videos, I used to get like 5,000 and 6,000 views, and you know, obviously we had this little correction and it went way down to like 1,000, 1,200 views, and now it's getting back up to 2,500 and so. And the more you guys hit the likes, the more that gets out there for me, and it don't cost you anything. And if you're new and you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe. We do daily updates every single morning, and I give you my view of the market. And yeah, don't forget to hit the... Also, if you guys are subscribed, make sure you tick the notification bell and another screen pops up. I have... Let me see if I can pop it up here. I think I got it in here. Yeah, this... If you look there after the subscribe here, right here, that, make sure you click all notifications from this channel. Otherwise, YouTube won't notify you all the time. So make sure you do that, and you will get notified that way. Now I gotta find the chat box again. Bitcoin Broke said, every day, bro. Thank you, sir. How often do you live chat, Savy? I try to once a week or so, sometimes a little more. It depends on what's going on. Sometimes I don't even get to do a live stream during the week, so. Jago said everybody's bullish now. I think that's not a good indicator of a bull run. That's true. If everybody's bullish, it's probably not going to continue up. At least get a correction. Proud and real, thanks for all your work, man. You're a great guy. Take care. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. I really do appreciate that. CryptoSavy was kidding. Haha, I know your heart belongs to Bitcoin and Litecoin. Right on, brother. I wouldn't say we're in a downtrend channel bad. I said we might see this 95-30 range and then see what happens there. But like I said, I still, there's still a damn good possibility we get this one more leg up here. If we don't, then I would be looking for, let's put a, retracement on this whole move. If this move is over, which I really don't think it is, but it could be. Let's see. The first retracement now would be around that 89.89. Next stop would be the 0.382 at 84.88, and then we have that 8,120 area. But like I said, I think we may hang out in this area for a whole nother day, all night, before getting our next move. Let's go back to the 15-minute. Watch your videos every day, man. Appreciate your work. Nice to see you live for a bit. Right on. Thanks, James. How's it going, Savy? Are you bullish? I'm always bullish, long term. But I think we're getting a little correction here. I don't think it's going to be a huge correction, guys. Not yet. Whoops, I don't want the 2 hour. I want the 1 hour. We did get a bounce off the 8 EMA here on the 1 hour. And let's see how the next candle, our next EMA, the next bounce I would look for would be around the 95.50 and then the 94.80. But yeah, I think we still got another move up, guys. These EMAs look super bullish here. Super bullish. So like I said, we may chop around in here for a little while. Could be another day. Joseph said it will go up as soon as you stop the video today. It did last time. It might. It's a damn good possibility, man. John Dunlop, Scotland loves you. Well, I love Scotland. Never been there, but I've seen pictures and it looks badass. Enough moon, let's visit hell for a while. Thanks for all your continued analysis on Mr. and Mrs. Bitcoin and Litecoin. My pleasure, man. I have a passion for tracking these coins. Raid, what's up? I haven't seen you in a while, man. I need someone to fat finger Litecoin. Fat finger buy? If another move up, what kind of target do you think we could hit? If we get another move up, I think it's going to be in that $10,000 range. Right there. That is my next range. Could go as high as 10.4 or 10.5 here. But yeah, I think the EMA, if it came up to, or I'm sorry, the RSI, if it came up to this trend line, that's going to be around that $10,000 range, I believe. If we break this trend line and come all the way up here, that's a whole different story. But yeah, I mean, in the short term, I'm not super bearish yet. What time is the daily close, and do all exchanges close at the same time? Yeah, the exchanges don't actually close crypto crazy, but the daily close is at 7 p.m. Eastern. I don't know what time zone you're in, but it's in 1 hour from now the daily closes. But yeah, everywhere it's the same. 1 hour from now the daily starts over. Maybe it'll just moon. Everybody wishes they got in under 10K. Hey, it is Bitcoin, man. Anything's possible. I don't think that's gonna happen, but Dennis Gullen waiting for FOMO Wave 1. By the way, good job, Savy. Thanks, man. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. I do daily updates every day, guys. And for the most part, my targets pretty much hit pretty damn close. I do give you the bullish and bearish case scenarios. It is your job to figure it out from there. I tell you what my opinion is, but I do give you both scenarios. Raid, you always say that. I am always here, man. I watch all your videos and hit the like. Yeah, but it's like I don't see you in the lives much unless you just don't talk in the lives. That's why I'm talking about the lives. I see your comments and stuff in the videos. Michael Fairman, let's all have a monster drink and watch this. Crypto loose fingers, you can take a horse to water. Yep. Uh-oh, is she gonna hold here? Or not? 8 p.m. here for the candle to close. Alrighty then. What was my target? 97.41, and we hit, what the hell did we hit here? We hit 90.70. Tick up BTC. It will take off at 7 o'clock. Joseph Anderson said it may. It's done that before on a daily open. Dark Helmet said, I'm so pissed I sold my Ethereum at 177. Now it's 205. I had that Ethereum chart. I think I had longer term targets on it, but I'll pull it up and see. I haven't looked at it since the last time I pulled it up in a live stream at some point. I don't even know when that was. Ethereum right there. It's still headed up to my target. My first target there is 228. I made this video back down here before it broke, or I made this chart before it broke this trend line here, so pretty interesting. See what happens. I'm gonna take that off there now. Perfect stable Sharpie genius. Moon in progress. Hubby Records. What's up? What time is on your side now? What's time is on your side now? I need to understand something we have here. 003. It is 6:05. So at 7 here, it'll be 1 o'clock at your time. What up, Savy? Another fine day in Bitcoin fairyland. Right on, Tales of the Crypto. We Bitcoiners have a saying, Satoshi created Bitcoin to test the faithful. An ABC correction will have to go to at least 50% back. That's what I think, 8-1. You mean from here, Jago? I'm not sure this move's done, bub. Not sure this move's done for the correction. It could be. It very well could be. But I'm not too sure of that. Definitely not too sure of that. Let me see something. I'm going to draw another trend line off of these two wicks. Yeah. Nope, we could continue up. And by the RSI, like I said, we can correct here. We can play around on this trend line for a while. But I still think we're going to continue up from here at some point. Before making a real big correction. Let me get these out of the way here. This is annoying me. Oh, bam. There we go. Much better. Still getting support on the 8 EMA, but we are topped out over here. Man, I got a bunch of little lines left in this that I have to clean up. I'm going to be making that tutorial for TradingView too, for those of you that are in the members group. So I will be doing that this weekend along with some other stuff. No problem. No problem, bub. Great live stream, Savvy. Good night. Looking forward to the update vid tomorrow. Thanks for stopping in, Loose Fingers. I do appreciate it. Jago said I have it till 98.20 to end the 5th wave. Could be. Could be. Still think it's a good chance we hit that 10K. Wonder how many people short this and got wrecked today. I think 10,000 is possible and then a correction. Yeah, same here, Carl. And like I said, once we get to 10, we have to look and see. We could, you know, we could go to 10.5. Sorry, guys, I'm tired. Funding rate looking to be 0.063 on Bybit. It's getting high. Oh, on Bybit? I don't have it on Bybit on here. Do I have... I thought I had the funding rate on here, but I do not. What's the VPVR look like? See, we're gonna have big support right here at the 9,400 range. If we do try to get back down there, we also have good support at that 9,550 range. So it's gonna be interesting. It is definitely going to be interesting. Where's that 200 at? Bam, still down there around the point. Oh no, that's wrong now. This would be up here. Yeah, the EMAs are still super bullish, guys. I mean, there's no denying it. Like, super bullish. 4 hour, same. I just can't see the EMAs going up like that and then straight down. I mean, I guess they did it over here, but it's not normal. It definitely looks like one more leg up. BTC needs a glass of water before continuing. It's a little tired, huh? You probably said before, what is your view on Ethereum? I know you said a lot of other coins are pointless. I really don't like Ethereum either, to be honest with you. We was talking about it in the chat a little bit ago. Are you in right now, Savy? Yeah, I'm always in. I hodl. I didn't catch this trade, but yeah, I hodl, so I'm always in. But back to the Ethereum thing. I was just talking about that in the group, and everybody's entitled their opinion or whatever. I don't care if everybody else believes it or not. I really don't. It seems like Ethereum just keeps changing to a new thing. It don't even know what it's gonna do. Bitcoin and Litecoin already do what they're supposed to. So, like Ethereum has a lot of money to pay people to say stuff. It's a company. I don't really believe in it. But that's just my opinion, man. Everybody has to do their own research and make their own opinions. 50-minute, you mean? 50 minutes? What? Oh, 50 minutes left. Yeah, before the daily close. They can always make more ETH. Yeah, and I mean, look at it. Look at ETH. It was for dApps. They were gonna put all these dApps on it, and it was great for that. And then it was ICOs, and now it's DeFi. It's all about DeFi. It's like they just keep coming up with different, trying to have different use cases, and it's not doing anything but getting people to buy in and lose money. I mean, that's the way I look at it. Let's pump for the daily close, said Crypto Crazy. We might get a pump. Let's see. The rest are shitcoins, and they are to prey on dumb greed. That's a good way to look at it, Carl. I look at them as money grabs myself. I mean, I don't know. You look at Bitcoin, look at Satoshi, whether Satoshi be the government, the elite, a guy, a group of people, whatever. They made it. They're not making money off it. All these other companies are in it to make money. They're riding the coattail of Bitcoin, and period. Ethereum, the founders have a shitload of Ethereum. They can dump them at any time on the people and buy Bitcoin, which I'm sure he holds a lot of Bitcoin. All of them. Buy some IOTA. No thanks, man. Proud and Real said, are you a long-term BTC holder? Price prediction end of 2020. Yes, I'm a long-term holder. I will continue to hold, and price prediction end of 2020. I think it's a good possibility we break the all-time high this year. I'll say that. First rule, Bitcoin, don't get high on your own supply. 110K to 300K end of year. I don't think end of year that high. I think 2021 is definitely a possibility. I don't know if you guys haven't seen it, I'll pull up that chart real quick if I can remember which one it's on. Is it the BLX or is it this one? Let me see. Which chart is this? This Bitstamp chart. Yeah, this one will tell us. If you look here, I have this trend line going up the top. You can see back here, all of these lines, these three lines are just cloned, and they're set exact same amount apart. This is 2017 bull run, and you can see when we had the bear market, or I'm sorry, this is 2013 bull run. Then we had the 14-15 bear market. And you can see we had two. I'll show you bigger first. You can see we had two attempts. And this is the weekly RSI. We had two attempts to break this. Broke it on the 3rd. And 2017 bull market followed by the bear market. Two attempts to break it. Broke it on the 3rd. And this is where we're at now. If we were to do the same thing and follow that trend line, right up here, December 2021 would get us somewhere around the 32,000 range, or 320,000 range. if this was to play out like this again and we peaked out right here like we did the last two over here. We'll see what happens. It will be fun to watch. And if you're subscribed here, we'll be watching that every day. Do you think the coronavirus will cause a mass Litecoin rally? I don't. Bitcoin is everything. Altcoins are to make more Bitcoin. Trees, you get it. Anyone think mana could double around? Yeah, and the guys, I'm not saying don't trade the shit coins or whatever. I'm just saying don't believe in them. If you believe in them, you're going to be holding them, and you will get dumped on. Hard. Savvy, are you still bullish on the gold Bitcoin? No, it's nothing like the gold chart anymore. Did you know that only 2.18% of people that own Bitcoin only own one Bitcoin? What's up, Timmy J? Gonna put my take profit to the moon while I'm sleeping. Let's see if we can break up here. If we can break this little top trend line here, we might get a little nice little push here. Could it be a big push? Possibly. If we were to break up there, it's looking around 9,970-ish. So around that 10,000. Let's see. I only have 0.55. Most people own under one Bitcoin. One Bitcoin is better than no Bitcoin. Well, it says, I want to see Litecoin go down. I'll buy some. Watch. Savvy, what's your favorite hardware wallet? I use Ledger, and I do have links to Ledger and Elliott below, but I'm really starting to like Elliott a lot more, especially since Trezor, they said it's hackable. I mean, yeah, I really like that Elliott wallet, just because it never plugs into the computer or anything. It signs. You know, you sign your transaction without plugging anything in. Nothing ever gets in your computer. It's all through QR codes. It's pretty nice. Nothing wrong with Ledger. Ledger's been around a long time. It's proven. It's a good one. I use Ledger too. I use Ledger and Elliott. There's a big daily bearish divergence. Have you noticed? Big daily bearish divergence. Yeah, right here. Go. Yeah, but it doesn't mean we can't come up and test this still. I don't rely on the daily divergence. And plus, this isn't divergence until the end of the day. We got about 50 minutes. You know, we could get above that. But either way, I still think we test this trend line again. Let's go back to that 15 minute. Let me get this chart out of here. Litecoin's trying to pump. So if we get rejected here, chances are we come back down. What's it look like in the 15 minute? We kept, yep, it's not looking bad. Let's see if it breaks here. Was a toss up between Ledger and Trezor. Choice is simple now, right? Yeah. How about Nano Ledger? Yeah, I'm good with Nano Ledger. I got a link down below if you guys want to keep your crypto safe, keep them off the exchanges. I definitely suggest getting your crypto off the exchange. Only leave on there what you're trading, if you are trading. If you're not trading, there's no reason to have your crypto on an exchange. Just moved to the millions so I can go on vacation. And you check the Litecoin chart. Yeah, Bella. There we are. I still think we come up to at least this 75. It looks like we could possibly go higher here by looking at the RSI. But yeah, I'm still looking at that 75. Or Litecoin. Still looks good. Let's look at Litecoin on the daily just so I can take a look at the RSI. And yep, on the daily, still got room to move up there. All right, are we gonna pop this thing? What's going on? I use Nano Ledger. It's no problem for me. Yeah, like I said, Ledger's good, man. I'll use your link when I get a Ledger eventually. Right on. You don't have to use my link. I'm just letting you know they're down there. Litecoin trying to pop off, is it? Yep. Bitcoin is too. If Bitcoin pops, if we break this, what is it, 96.89, then we could get a nice little pump up. Yo, Savy, do you think we're getting a trading bot is a good idea? That's funny you asked that, Cash Boy. I'm actually testing one now. They're going to sponsor a video, and I'm going to give my honest opinion of it when I do the video. I am, actually tonight, I'll be putting the money in it and trying it out. I will let you guys know, and I'm gonna do an honest, I'm gonna do an honest review of it. It will be a sponsored video. I'll probably just add it in a normal video, but it'll be interesting. Which online wallet is better? I don't use any online wallets, so yeah, I'm not sure. I won't tell you something I don't use, so. Any updates on Liberty OS? No, I think it's screwy because they don't even have their Telegram or anything anymore. So I don't know what the hell is going on with that. I'm not sure. That's still up. You can still download it and stuff. So yeah, I have no idea, man. Nano X or S? I just use the S. I mean, the X is fancy. If that's, you know, that's all your choice, but I just use the S. Simple. No need to complicate things. Also, too, if you guys are interested in trading, I do have a Bybit and a Prime XBT link down there. If you sign up using my link with Prime XBT, they give you 35% of your deposit as a sign-on bonus. So if you put on $1,000, they put $350 in your account. You cannot withdraw that money, but you can trade with that money and keep the gains. Also on Bybit, I think you can get 90. I think they may have still have the $300 thing going on, but if not, you get a $90 sign-on. Raid, thanks, man. Can you show LTC chart in your TA, please? Yeah, I mean, I'm still looking at that $75 range. The highest I see us going possibly here before a correction is around $90. But yeah, that's really about it. We had also, if I take the measured move of this where we broke out, I actually do have another target there I will put in there real quick that I have not been putting in there, and that would be right here around, let's get a tag on there. Yeah, right around 79 to 75, somewhere in there. Thanks for the donation, brother. I appreciate that. Joseph Anderson said, hit the likes, y'all. Yeah, guys, take a second out, hit the like button. And someone asked earlier, found out earlier, they weren't sure. If you're on your mobile app, just exit the chat and hit that thumbs up and then hit live chat again. You'll be right back in the chat. Only takes a second. Litecoin looks like a cup and handle, he says. I guess you could consider that a cup and handle. I mean, if that was the case, the cup and handled measured move would be right around $88. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. If we break this 75 here, we could be heading to 79, 80 bucks, which would be right up, lined up with this old high, and that is the measured move of the falling wedge here. It's possible. Let me go back to the 4 hour. that would also, that 79 or 80 would also line up with this trend line here. So yeah, that's a good possibility. I don't know why I wasn't putting that in there. I had the measured move there. I don't know. I think I was just stuck on them fibs. But yeah, definitely possible to get to that $79 area. And we got enough room in the RSI too to get us up there, so. Do you think we can break the belt resistance? Lloyd Henry, are you talking about on this right here? Not sure what belt resistance you're talking about. Am I crazy if I say no 10K before having? No, it ain't crazy, but I think we see 10K before having. But I think we're going to have a correction after 10K. Between 10 and 11 too. I think we're going to have a correction. I do believe that we're most likely going to see somewhere around the $8,000 range. Possibly $7,700. Savvy, how can I join your VIP chat? There's a join button down below. The chat is level 3 has the chat room. So just hit the join button down below and it'll let you know in there. This music is odd, though there was a siren. I thought there was a siren going off. I can't hear it. Only you guys can hear it. So, I mean, I listened to it before I put it on here, but the choice of music I have from YouTube without copyright is very odd. So that's why the music is what it is. It isn't like actually music I listen to. Paul Bear, hello, Savvy. Just a quick stop in to support the channel. Nothing but love. Thanks, brother. I appreciate it, Paul Bear. I hope you have a good night, brother. Jago, well, Crypto Crazy said yes. Jago's crazy for thinking that. Brian said, got a bunch of new names in here tonight. Yeah, a bunch of new names and a bunch of old names. Old hands music. 11K, yep, correction, I see too. Yeah, I mean, there's no guarantee, but that's really what it's looking like. As a correction from around the 11.2 area. I will be watching that extremely close. Jaja, I thought my neighbor was on fire. What's up, Edward Park? How you doing, brother? All right, are we gonna get a pump before close or not? I'm probably gonna stay on here till close, guys, and then I'm gonna get out of here. Hey Savvy, if you bought 177 LITECOINs at $42, would you sell right now? No. Nope. You might want to start looking at selling around between the 75 and 79. But you got to remember, man, we can get all the way up to this 90. That is a Fibonacci not retracement. It's a Fibonacci extension off of this move here. So be careful, man. I don't trade Litecoin. I hope everyone is hitting the likes. It's highly appreciated. Like I said, I really appreciate everybody that watched the video this morning that smashed the like button and left a comment. It really helps it get out. Did the chat die, or is everybody just silent waiting for something to happen? Hold on a second, guys. Crypto Gambler said, then short. Dinosaur muscle cars, waiting, listening, and multitasking. Nice. We should do a live stream every night at this time and be very smart. Yeah, Lee, that's too much. I wouldn't be able to do that every night. I'll sell some Litecoin at 600, Crypto Crazy says. I'll sell some at 90 for sure. Trying to transfer. I mean, if you're in it for the long term, Brad, I wouldn't even sell it. Just hold it. That's what I do with my Litecoin. Raid, you already tipped me, brother. Why are you tipping me again, man? That's a second one tonight. Thank you. I really do appreciate that. Brad S said it. I learned my lesson to take profits. If you're trading, definitely take profits, especially if you're doing leverage trading or anything of that nature. Good man. Because you're doing live streams at the right time. Yeah, I mean, I get it. Yeah, before close like that, before daily close. It's tough. I can't do it every night. If I didn't have a job, I could do it every night. But other than that, that's impossible for me to say every night. But when I I hate saying that. When I do them, I like to do them around this time because that's after work. So HODL is top choice. Come on, BTC, no sideways movements again. Just drop hard. Damn, Jago wants it to drop big time. Are you short? What time is it where you are? 6:30 p.m. Wow, I cannot read that name. Hi, bro. Really helpful, all the videos. Which correction do you think is going to do LTC? Yeah, we were just talking about Litecoin. I'm still looking for that 75 and actually possibly 79 to 80 to the $80 range. Super Googly, thanks for the tip. I'm a holder. Should I buy more now or will there be another dump before 10K? Honestly, I think there's going to be another. We may get to 10K or above. I still think there's going to be a correction after that. I think we're going to have a correction around the 11.2 area. But honestly, if you're going to buy, any time is a good time to buy if you're going to long-term hold it. I mean, in reality. Brian, thanks for the tip, man. Wolfpack's Crypto Ghost. Bitcoin breaking through walls, right? I need Litecoin to drop, said Gerald. Why do you need it to drop, man? What's up, Matt Jensen? Thanks again for the tips, guys. But yeah, if you're a hodler, man, anytime, I mean, if you're a true believer in Bitcoin and where it's going, it's still a good price at 10 grand. Buy Bitcoin on the dips, not now. Yeah, like I said, I think there's a good chance that this is what we're going to see or something like it. I still look for a rejection in this golden pocket area. Now, if I'm wrong and we break through this 11.2 range, guys, it could get very, very, very bullish very, very, very fast. A lot of eyes will be on that. A lot. I've been playing with my feelings. Oh, it's been playing with my feelings. What's the deal with XRP? Real or fake? I don't like XRP, man. I do not like it. It looks like a penny stock. Peter said, buy sats and chill. People need to buy what they can comfortably afford. The times they are changing. Yeah, I mean, never put in more than you can afford. I mean, then you're just stressed out and you worry about every dip. And yeah, if you are putting in money that you can't afford to put in, you're just going to stress yourself out, period. Just dollar cost average, little tiny bits that you won't even notice. Whatever you can put in without, screwing your financial situation. These people are smart. The one thing, this thing to drop hard to buy cheap Savy just before the halving. Gotcha. Bard Andre. I used $200 after surplus I had on a test trade on BTC futures, and now they are $3,150 in 2 weeks. Been in and out since BTC was 74. Nice. Crypto Gambler, 11.2, then 9K, then Moon. I put in way too much fast at first and kept panic selling, lost a lot. Yeah, that's the whole deal, man. Don't put in money that, you know, if you're going in long term, put it in and forget about it. If you're, you know, you put a lot of money in and you sit there and watch it, you're gonna get emotional. Philip Byrne, 2% in the world have 1 Bitcoin or more. Dollar cost average and build it up to join the 2%. Are we gonna drop down and test the 13 EMA now at 95.60? Max Ninja, what's up, man? Michael Stott said, yeah, I'm still waiting on 2018 Bitcoin. Jago said dollar cost average doesn't work in a bear market, I think. If you've ever, there's a dollar cost average. Yeah, it actually does work. I mean, in the long term. There's actually a web page with a calculator to figure it out. If you could say I would put $10 in a week, $100 in a week, or whatever, from whatever time to whatever time. You can do it through the bear market or whenever, and that tells you what your average would be and if you're up or down. It's pretty cool, actually. Dinosaur Muscle Cars said, I bought my first 2 Bitcoins at 3,700. Probably never go there again. I'm grateful. Right. Imagine buying $1,000 back in 2000, or 1,000 back in 2011, right? I think I've told the story in here before. I have a buddy that I used to work with, and it was in 2008 or 9. I don't remember. He came over, it was probably 2009. But he was talking about Bitcoin and that you could play video games and get it, and we talked about it for a little bit. So I looked it up and I found a couple videos saying what is money, what makes money valuable, if people, you know, just give it value. What's up, Boston? But anyway, so I was looking on like E-Trade and stuff at that time, trying to figure out how to buy it, and it was, you know, penny. So I couldn't figure out how to buy it. I didn't know it was on different exchange or whatever, and I never messed with it or heard anything about it again until 2017. Bummer. But even if, you know, people say, oh, I wish I'd have bought them, but if you'd have bought them, you'd have sold at $1, I mean, or less, 20 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents. I mean, I highly doubt anybody bought in the very beginning or is holding that since 2009. Dollar cost average in the bear market worked for me. I was never in a bull market until this month. Only started last year. Nice, Philip Byrne. The sim lane. Wow, my long position 2 days ago has paid off. I knew it. Hindsight's always 2020. Yep. Mount Gox. Yeah, that's the ticket. Started building rigs 2017. Nice. I have never mined. I honestly don't think I ever will. I really like your TA. Thanks for sharing. I will like all your videos and get you out there. Thanks, Bard. I appreciate that, man. Jago said I want to kill myself just thinking what the hell I was doing in 2010 and 11 instead of buying Bitcoin. Yeah, I hear you, man. Do we think we're going up a little more? I think Bitcoin to around 10K prior to bearish move. Yeah, I think we'll probably get up to 10K. We may have a small correction here. And it looks like we're getting the correction now. Let's see if that 13 EMA, which is this white line, holds. If the bottom of that doesn't hold. Would solar rigs work? Working on a boat. Spending money on a boat. Idler's best stack and count sats and forget about the dollar value for now. No money in mining. You gotta play with the big boy miners. Yeah. Donked. Bleeding is coming. People will look back at these prices and wonder why they didn't buy more, waiting for the price to drop to 5K. Right? At channel now. It's hard to buy at 9,600 when I sold at 8,700 a few weeks ago psychologically. Yep. That sucks, man. That sucks. The like to view ratio is really good. Awesome. I like that. If you haven't hit the like button, definitely hit the like button, guys. And also, to help the channel out, check out all the affiliate links down below. A lot of them you can get some free crypto, some other stuff, but everything has some kind of advantage for you. So check them out. If you can use them, great. If not, that is okay too. Can we have a correction to 2011 and buy more Bitcoin? Highly doubt that will ever happen. And if it does, that would probably mean Bitcoin is dead. Bradley Stevenson said, I believe that 2020 is just a hodl year. Hold year. I hate this corrective keyboard. Anything with wheels, a motor, or it's cost me a lot of money. Was the bear market normal retrace around 40 to 50%? The big bear markets, I mean, from the big bull runs, it's usually like 80%. At what point are we almost certain we're in a bull market? I believe a break of 11.2 and a daily close above that, and it is full bore bull, in my opinion. The cheapest whole Bitcoin that I buy was 2,800. Now just wait. Nice. Boston, remember you said you'll never see a $6,000 Bitcoin? Steve Bever. Can't stop dancing to this music. That's funny. I can't even hear it. Mine was at $9. Damn, that would be nice. So if the price goes to 100K, we could retrace all the way back to 20K. Yeah, but I think once we pass 20K, I don't think we'll ever see 20K again. Usually when you pass the old bull market's high, that is, you never return there. But I don't think we would retrace all the way back to 20, maybe 30, 35, something like that. I was introduced to Bitcoin when it was 300, and it might not retrace as much, you know, in the future. It's starting to get bigger, more people getting into it, so see what happens. Simlane said, I think we're in a bull market now. Everything looks so bullish. It does look bullish. It's at the very beginning, though. Yeah, I still think we get a retrace back to around the $8,000 range at some point here. I mean, until we, you know, get some more movements, we're really not going to know. But I really think that's a damn good possibility. I really think we're going to get rejected around the 11.1, 11.2. Just bought $550 worth of Bitcoin. Paid my house off when I cashed out 10 Bitcoin when it was dropping 16,000. Nice. Jago said, for me, a bull market start when 30 days volatility index drops below 1%, then we are set to moon. Yeah, I've never really checked out the volatility index. Maybe I'll check that out. But I have never done that now. Reminder, anyone new in here, make sure you subscribe to the channel and tick the notification bell. That will get you notified when I post new videos. I do daily updates every single day, and make sure you hit the little box after you hit the bell right there. That will make sure you get notified, because YouTube doesn't like to notify everybody unless you hit that box. So make sure you do that. Damn it. All right, I lost my chat box there for a minute. I'm back. So we're still in this area. What do we got? 14 minutes till close. What is Bitcoin gonna do? I guess going forward, trying to achieve a Bitcoin will change to trying to get 0.1 of a Bitcoin. At some point, yeah, another year or two maybe. I never forget back in the days, 2013, I said no to 4 to 5 Bitcoins for making a website for a friend. Damn. Not trying to brag, encouraging all to hang in there. It's going to pay off. Right on, man. True believer. I like that. Simlane said we're going up again. 10K is my target. Yeah, that's my next target hit also. We'll see. We will see. I use the Celsius network, have for a month, no problems. Weekly interest payments every Monday. Never heard of it. Christian WC, thumbs up for the TA as always, and the music too. Thanks, Christian. Appreciate it, man. Yep, guys, make sure you are subscribed if you haven't subscribed already. I don't know why my tickers aren't working on this damn thing. Good night, Brian. Thanks for stopping in, man. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys rock, man. For real. I love the support of the community, even though we have jackasses in the community every once in a while. Wonder, I'm getting tons of freaking crazy emails. Steve Weber said jumping into mining now. So much fighting on this closing candle. It's definitely a doji right now. G4L, CryptoSavy, does your wife ship to Europe? Yeah, she ships to anywhere. Yep. You just pay shipping, but yeah, she ships it anywhere. Have a friend that has a AC space for us to partner in. Spears, stopping by for a few. Love the tunes this evening. Thanks, man. Great amount of likes on the video so far. Thanks, Mike Fairman. Thanks for checking it out for us. Joseph, 4 hours of sideways. Time to pump it up. 10 minutes to go. Ow. Still watching? I know. Didn't you talk to him? Oh. Do you want me to tell him? Hey. Michael Fairman, my wife asked you if you asked me to ask you if you got her email about your shirt and stuff. Cup and handle breakout confirmed. I don't think it was really a cup and handle, but G4L said, "Hey, Savy's wife." She's gone. She walked away now. Savy's wife shits Europe make. I mean, great email confirming order when shipped. Yeah, Michael, she wanted to let you know that she packed her, she gave you the wrong shipping cost or whatever. So she packed your shirt actually with the mug, and she wanted you to know that that's not how she normally does it. Okay. So you did get the email. Okay. Okay, I just wanted to let you know, 'cause she felt horrible about it, so. Novsky, first contact with Bitcoin was 2011, I guess, but I didn't know how to get it. Then I lost interest, heard it again when it was $120. Thought, fuck, why didn't I do more research? It did make me laugh when she packed my shirt in a mug. Yeah, like I said, something was wrong with the shipping price or whatever, so she did it that way to keep it the same. So she wanted you to know that that's not how she normally does it. She felt cheap. Didn't the Bitcoin time traveler predict 29,000 price end of February? I don't know. I haven't seen any of the Bitcoin traveler projections in a long time. Dark Helmet said, "I hope so." Yeah, he got your email. So, looks like we might go sideways for a little while, or I get off of here and then Bitcoin pumps. Was told to buy Bitcoin in 175K by summer of 2021. Damn good possibility. Let's draw some lines up here just for shits and giggles on the 15-minute. Let's draw it off these 2 wicks just for shits and giggles. What's that bring us to? Right around that 10,000. Let's see what we get. 7 minutes to close, guys. BTC is going to drop to 89.55 to fill my orders. Satoshi told me so. Trees, DJ Savvy. Novsky, then I was scared the government would make it illegal to hold Bitcoin, so I would dump hard at some point. Then it was 2017 and again thought, fuck. So now I want to be in the game. I think a lot of stories are like that, Novsky. Everybody heard about it, never really paid attention to it, and then, yeah. I would have sold way too soon. I would have too. Like I said, everybody says, I wish I'd have bought when it was a penny, but you probably would have sold at 10 cents, you know? Someone said to me the other day they wouldn't be surprised to see 300K Bitcoin and $5,000 Litecoin end of year 2021. Yeah, I mean, definitely possible. Definitely possible. Back in late 2017, when Bitcoin was all-time high, the news in Denmark was talking about a guy who had mined Bitcoin back in the early days and had about 20 Bitcoin on his old computer hard disk he had put away and forgot. Nice. There was a story about someone buying a laptop or something from I don't know, a thrift shop or something, and it had some Bitcoin on it. Late to the chat, Savy. Damn work. Is this our Elliott wave continuing up? What's up, Andre? Looks like we could possibly get another bump up here. It definitely looks like it. Definitely looks like it. We're looking at the 15-minute chart here, though, Andre. This isn't the although this looks like a mini version, doesn't it? But yeah, that could be. Let's take a look at this. What happens if I look at it like this? If we were to move from here, that would be 10,000. Everything is leading right to 10,000. Everything. Does it have to happen? Nope, but it sure looks like it. Fifth wave. Yeah, in the big picture. Yeah, in this one here. I mean, I don't think it's done. I think we're still in the fifth wave, and I'll show you my count. Actually, let me go to the daily. It'll look a little bit better. But yeah, this is my count, right? Andre, next monster drink on me. Thanks for all you do, mate. Thanks, man. Appreciate the tip, brother. Yeah, this is the Elliott wave count I got. This being 3, this being 4, and we're still making 5. It could be extended to 10,000, could be extended to 10,500, which would be up in this. Could be extended all the way to 11. I mean, possibly. Who knows? It could go crazy, but I still think we go up to at least 10 here. That's my opinion, guys. Take it for what you will, but it's what I'm looking at. Still looking for that next little push up. We go back into the 15-minute now. Boston said take another look for the cup. Are you talking about Bitcoin, Boston? Talking about right here. I see what you're saying right here, but I just don't think that's what that is. I mean, I guess it could be because we did have a come back and test it. So, I mean, it's possible. A student brought 100 Bitcoins for a school presentation in 2010. In 2017, saw in a media the bull run, found it back and sold. Damn. Teabag, camel teabag. A man in Wales offered the council $7.4 million to help him find his hard drive with Bitcoin worth $100 million. He dumped in the junkyard and they rejected him. Oh. Then you had to go across on the daily. Yeah, we had talked about that for a while, but it's possible. I mean, but I still think, just keep in mind, we could be looking at an inverse head and shoulders here. Come up to this 10 to 10.5 range, possibly, yeah. And then a left shoulder. Remember, that's a definite possibility. I know it's pure speculation now, but a lot of stuff aligns with that. So keep that definitely in mind. But yeah, I do see the possibility of the cup and handle that you're saying here. This being the cup. I just don't like how the cup across is not... I don't like this. I would like the cup just to not be that much higher on one side. But if it was a cup and a handle... And for those of you that don't know, I'll hurry up and try to draw this out. Well, we got 1 minute left. Let's go into the 15-minute, watch the close, and then we'll go back to this. Major indecision in this little 15-minute candle. The daily close is actually a pretty damn nice close, guys. That's our highest daily close in since shit. Our highest close since right here. What day was this? September 23rd. Very nice. 8 seconds left. 6 seconds left. Will it stay the highest? It did. Yeah, that's our highest close since September 23rd. Steve said, hey everyone, know this. We are early. We are definitely early. Normies are finding out about the halving and getting in to pump it. Night everyone, safe trading. Take it easy, Phil. Just popped in to say hello. Back to my meeting. What's up, crazy Greek freak? Andre, watch Peter Brandt's latest video via Bitcoin Live. Great overview and worth a look. He is very bullish and has upped his bull market top price late 2021 to well above 100K. I do believe that. Excuse me. Are we getting a little pump here? We opened on top of the 8 EMA. More bullish signs. EMA's crossing higher highs. How's XRP doing? Romaine, I don't have an XRP chart. Sorry, man. 800 point move here. All right, guys. Since it closed, I'll stay on another 5 minutes just to see what this does, and then I am going to get out of here. So you'll probably have a pump when I do shut down. Super googly. Everyone, Adler on this chat is going to get rich. Let's hope so, man. I believe the hodlers will do extremely well. As long as they hold. And thanks for the tip, brother. I do appreciate that much. We're sitting right on the 8 EMA in the 15-minute. Real Trade just subscribed. Welcome to the channel, man. Waiting for the 10K bounce. Have a good night, Reg Parent. Much appreciated. Thanks for stopping in. Impeach XRP. That's funny. Bill C said I'm holding for a small home. Are we gonna have another one of those quick pumps here? Thanks, Proud and Real. You have a good night also. Marcin Wronski. Welcome to the channel, Marcin. Michael Fairman, haha, Savy, you and monsters. I'm the same. Yeah, I have one a day, man. I limit it, one a day. Dark Helmet said 2 Bitcoin equal a house in just 2 years. And the little house emoji to go with it. Nice. Good night. Thanks for another great show. Take it easy, David Rice. Have a good one, man. Yep, I think I'm going to get out of here too, guys. So have a great night. Thanks for stopping in. Don't forget to check out the affiliate links down below. It's another way to help the channel out, and my wife's webpage, anchorimage.com, for t-shirts, hoodies, all kinds of stuff. Check it out, and thanks for stopping by and tuning in. You guys rock. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, tick the notification bell, and what else did I say? Oh yeah, make sure to hit that all button after the notification bell's ticked so you can get notified. I do daily updates every single day. Take it easy, guys. Thanks for everything.